Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. So you just started your photography business, and now you're finding out that one of the hardest things to do is book new clients. Without booking new clients, you're not going to be able to continue your business, and you're wondering how you can pull this off. Since it's Small Business Month, let's talk about the best thing you can do to make your client experience much better and help them get to booking quicker. The first step we're going to be taking here is making some additions to our website to make sure that our contacts are hot leads. You don't want cold leads or price shoppers. So let's talk about what we can do to make that not happen. First, on your website, make sure to make a pricing page. This is a great way to show your packages or your starting price. I highly believe in showing your price because, again, this will get rid of all the price shoppers. Now, there are pros and cons to showing your pricing on your website. The biggest con would be you're not going to get as many leads. However, again, if people are already seeing your price, you're getting hotter leads. So in my opinion, it makes a little bit more sense to just go ahead, show your prices, and if it's too high for people, they're going to move on to someone else and not waste your time. Make sure also on your pricing page you have some kind of FAQ to answer general questions your couples are going to be asking you, as well as your starting price and some of your other a la carte options. You can see here on my page, I have my starting price. I only have one package, and I customize that package for my couples. And then I also have prices of my engagements, intimate weddings, so on and so forth. Another thing you'll notice, and you'll want to make sure you do on all the pages of your website, is I have a whole bunch of different buttons and call to actions to make sure my couples are able to get in contact with me quickly. You want your couples to be able to look at your website and quickly click a button to get to your contact page and get in touch with you. And since we're talking about building a pricing page on your website, the easiest way to do this is going to be with this video sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform to help you easily build your website. All the pages that I'm referencing today are on my website, which is on Squarespace as well. So the pricing page and the contact page you'll be seeing soon are all on Squarespace. Squarespace gives you a whole bunch of options for your website, and honestly, for a photographer, probably one of the best ways to grow and scale your business. Having an online presence is extremely important, and it's much better to have not just social, but also a website. After you've chosen a template, set up your website, and set up pages like the pricing page we were just talking about, you'll also be able to use other great features like analytics, selling digital or physical products, even creating courses right on your website. So Squarespace can grow with you from the start of your business on to scaling to who knows how large you can even get. Definitely make sure to check out the link in the description below for 10% off of your first website or domain. Now that I've hit step 1 and I have a pricing page on my website, I'm able to move on to step 2, which is a beautiful contact page. Now remember, the name of the game to booking clients is setting expectations early and often. So you'll see on my contact page, I explain how long it's going to take me to get back to them. I explain what the process looks like after they get in touch with me. And I just go through everything that's going to happen so that they already know up front. The last thing you want to do is not have people know what's happening, contacting you, and then thinking you're taking too long or something of that sort. After you've set your expectations, next you need to add a contact form to your page. Now, there's multiple ways you can do this. You can do it directly through Squarespace. They have a great content form block that you can use, and it can feed to your email or anything of that sort. But honestly, in my opinion, what's going to be better is to use a CRM like Honeybook. So I use Honeybook for my contact form, and by doing this, it's going to import everything that's in the contact form right into my Honeybook pipeline, into a workspace that I can communicate with my couple. By doing this, you're going to streamline your process and make your business be able to scale much easier when you're just by yourself. Because I don't know about you all, but I am a solopreneur. I'm doing this all by myself, and if my CRM wasn't helping me out, I would have a hard time taking all the couples that I do. Now, if you want to check out Honeybook, definitely make sure to check out the link in the description below. I have a 50% off just for you all. You highly should sign up for it, and I'll be talking about Honeybook a little bit further in this video. So we have our pricing page, we have our contact page. Now let's talk about the automations we're going to set up with our couples so that once they contact us, we have emails going out to them extremely quickly. So now that we've set up our pricing page and also our contact page, we have our Honeybook contact form into our website. This is where we can start setting up automations so that we don't have to send out every single email to our couple, which will help move along the booking process and make it more simple. One thing you'll learn very early on is the quicker you get to your couple, the quicker you can get to booking. So while I might tell my couples it takes me 24-ish hours to get back to them once they've contacted me, I actually have an automation that's immediately going to go out and contact them so that we can set up our meeting and we can meet over Zoom or in person. So now that I'm currently in my Honeybook, I'm going to go up to Tools and then Automations. As you can see, I have a huge amount of automations here, but most of them are old. The main one I'm using now is this one at the top, which is the wedding workflow. This is a full automation from start to finish, starting all the way from first contact when my couple gets in touch with me, on through to the booking, on through to the wedding, all the way to their anniversary. So, this is a great way for me to remember the different steps I need to do and make my client journey nice and smooth and a great experience for my couples. So, let's take a look at a couple of the first steps since we're talking about booking new couples. So, my couple went to my website, they went to my pricing page. They looked at the price, they're happy with the package, so they go to the contact page. From there, they fill out the contact form, which, hot tip, do not make your contact form too long because people will not want to get in touch with you if you have the longest form ever. They don't have time to fill it out. Make it simple. Who are you? Who's your spouse? When you get married, where you get married? That's about it. You can look at mine on my contact page. Again, I'll have my website links below, so definitely make sure to check that out. So again, the first step is going to be right when they get in contact with me. I have an email going out letting them know what the next steps are going to be and also pointing them to a link where they can set up a meeting with me. I also have this smart brochure that goes out just if they need any additional information or want to look further into the pricing, even though they've seen it on my website, and I keep it pretty simple. Here's a preview of the email that goes out to them. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward, but we also have a link in there for them to set up a meeting with me. Now, again, one of the main reasons why you want to have a CRM is because inside of Honeybook, I have my own scheduler. So I don't have to sign up for 50 different services to make automatic scheduling. So what will happen is once my couple clicks that link, I have a schedule already set out. So I have certain days where I only take meetings. They can pick times that are open. It'll automatically set up that meeting and it will automatically set up a Zoom link for me. So again, as a business owner, now I don't have to waste my time sending the email, setting up the Zoom link, sending them the Zoom link. I can just sit back and let the system do it for me. And this is going to be a great experience for your couples as well because it's less for them to have to do also. All they do is go to your website, see the pricing, go to the contact form, and immediately get hit back with another email that they can go ahead and sign up for their meeting, and then we're all good to go. If for some reason my couple doesn't get in touch with me or doesn't set up a meeting, you can see here I have two other emails that will go out to just ask them like, hey, I haven't heard from you in a while. Are you still interested in meeting? So on and so forth. Both of these emails are set to approval, meaning that they don't go out automatically. So if my couple does get back to me and we meet like we should, then I can just delete these steps in the automation and they won't happen. Whereas if they don't get in touch with me, what will happen is in 3 days, Honeybook is going to remind me like, hey, you have this email that needs to go out because, it's the next step in your automation. And I'll go, oh yeah, they never hit me back, and I can hit approve. That's going to be sent out. And then that's going to help get those couples back into the flow of meeting with me and booking with me. This is why I swear by using a CRM like Honeybook, because these steps are going to help you get a smoother process to your bookings. So again, even if people aren't booking right now or contacting you, if you know that your workflow for getting couples into the pipeline is nice and smooth, you can rule that out as a reason why they're not booking you. And then you can look into other things like advertising or, maybe you're not doing enough on social or maybe there's something wrong with your website. You can look at all those things, but know that your process from contact to booking is extremely smooth. Your booking process is extremely important when it comes to booking your couple, and it's not just about getting them on a call and talking to them, it's about the whole process from the moment they hit your website. Again, have a beautiful Squarespace website And also check out some of these videos here for Small Business Month to help you grow your business and start your business in 2024.